Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. I am not used waking up early. Correct answer is option A. Question 2. He did it all by... Correct answer is option A. Question 3. The car by my father. Correct answer is option B. Question 4. This is the house Jack built. Correct answer is option B. Question 5. The girl along with her friends going to the mall. Correct answer is option B. Question 6. Each of the boys given a prize. Correct answer is option C. Question 7. He behaves as if he's the boss. Correct answer is option C. Question 8. The news not very encouraging. Correct answer is option C. Question 9. The teacher asked if anyone the answer. Correct answer is option C. Question 10. She to school every day. Correct answer is option B. Question 11. I seen that movie before. Correct answer is option B. Question 12. They playing cricket now. Correct answer is option B. Question 13. The sun in the east. Correct answer is option B. Question 14. I a letter yesterday. Correct answer is option B. Question 15. She very happy today. Correct answer is option A.